Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. If I were to walk through our showroom right now and put a sticker on that says Jay's Pick, it's going to be this one right here. This thing is cool. The more I look at it and the time I spent with it, it just got better and better. It is sexy, first of all, and it's got the motor to back it up, a 347 stroker. It's got a shift kit in the automatics. It's got a posi rear end. It's got disc brakes. It's got so much going on, and it has under 400 miles since it's been completely rebuilt and restored. Beautiful, ground-up restored car. Even underneath looks like new. You can see the underneath if you go to volocars.com. We have about 100 pictures of each car, top to bottom. We have the full description of each car, and that's where you find price tags on all of the collector cars that we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, tops down on this 1965 Mustang. Let's go for a spin. Wish it was a little nicer out today. I'd love to go for a spin. Take off with this one. So yeah, the whole underneath is done. All the metal frame rails, the floors, all of it's beautiful, clean metal, done just like the factory would have. It's a red oxide primer. They've got a thin black undercoat in the wheel wells and in certain areas, just like the factory had done it. The suspension and steering's all rebuilt up front. The bushings and ball joints and control arms and shocks. In back, spring shocks, all that stuff's been redone as well. The brakes are redone. They're drum and back. They were rebuilt. Has upgraded the disc in front. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. It has a high torque starter. It's a rebuilt C4 automatic transmission with the shift kit. In back is a 3.0 posi rear end. It's also just rebuilt. The fuel system's been replaced, the tank, the lines, the sending unit. Custom exhaust system. Looks like stainless Flowmaster pipes. Actually, they're called Flow FX. Flowmaster makes them. Has a great sound. Tune in towards the end of this video. You got to hear how this thing sounds. So underneath the car, virtually like new. The body is as well. Really straight, slick body. I'm just looking across here. Obviously, we have the Shelby style scoop. The stripes are painted on. It is smooth to the touch like Teflon. This is slick, no dents, no waves. All of this is in really amazing shape. Minor imperfection right here. The paint's a little fuzzy right here. New correct antenna, but there's no dents, no elbows rested on this fender. It's absolutely straight. Got the 289 V8 emblem. This is a black mirror. Has the GT-350H. You know what the H stands for? That's Hertz. Hertz Rent-A-Car used to rent Shelbys back then. Rent-A-Racer they were called. But again, looking down the side, absolutely straight. Has the Shelby scoops on the quarter panels. All of this is fantastic. New taillights, GT-350 emblem, Shelby gas cap. The locks are new, the bumpers. Has the GT exhaust coming through the bumper. Those are stainless tips with the little louvers in there. It's really cool. All this fits real nice. There is a, oh, nope. I was just going to apologize for damaging the paint, but it wiped off. And again, this is a mirror. I could read a phone book in this reflection. All of this is mint. This is the Shelby scoop I was talking about. There is something on the paint here. I tried wiping it with my finger. I don't feel it, but I can see it in the paint. Maybe it'll buff off. Door handles, the bullet style mirrors, new windshield, the rubber seal, the vent window frame, all that's really nice. Wipers look like they're new. Has the Shelby style honeycomb grill. The valance down below here, Shelby style, new emblems. So the whole exterior of the car is really slick. And we didn't talk about the wheels yet. They're the billet Magnum 500 style wheels, says Hertz right in the middle. Performance tires, they're 17-inch wheels. The convertible top, well, the boot fits real nicely. It's a power top, it's black, it's new, sweet. You can see it in our pictures. So the outside of this car is amazing, underneath is amazing. I'll show you more amazing. Let's open it up and take you inside. Got a nice clean trunk. The metal is all smooth. It's painted like a satin finish black. It has a new gas tank down on the floor. The bottom of the trunk lid and the jamb is all gloss black. Cadmium plated bolts. New weather strip, and then you got the new trunk liner. So real nice looking trunk compartment. Shelby gas cap. I love those billet Magnum 500s, so you still have the retro look, but it has some modern flair. Door panels new, the armrest, the metal's painted gloss black, weather strip around the doors new. Now sitting in the car, it's got some nice looking gauges in front of us. They light up nice white, clean LED white. This is the GT style instrument pod. It's all new wiring. And we have a beautiful Shelby style steering wheel, a retro stereo with an auxiliary plug. You can plug in your phone. Of course, the dash pad's new, the glove box door's new, and the liner, and the light works, and the whole center console, the handle, the shift indicator, all of this is new. And I am sitting on some pony seats. Got the running horses, seat belts front and back, new ones, and it has the chrome pony buckles. It also matches the ponies down on the embroidered floor mats. Carpet's new and fits real nice. The kick panels are new and the button for the dimmer. Back seat's just as nice. We got seat belts, you got the ponies, window cranks, floor mats. It's a really tidy, really sharp, well done car. The mirror's new. Interior lights work. Now this engine, this is from Blueprint Engines. It's a 347 stroker with 400 horsepower. It even comes with a dyno sheet. This is a new crate motor. It's got aluminum heads, aluminum intake. It's got a big chromed Holley carb with electric choke, new billet distributor, ceramic coated headers, dressed up real nice with the finned valve covers and air cleaner. And up front here, it's got a nice black alternator, Edelbrock aluminum water pump, and then we got a Be Cool radiator with electric fan and an overflow bottle. It's got the updated, I think it's called Borgeson power steering. Also got a new power brake system. We have Ford Racing plug wires. The battery's bolted down, the regulator's new, the horns are new. Now check out the engine compartment. Look how clean the metal is. Nice satin black, and then you got gloss black. And what really makes it, look at the cadmium plated bolts. That is a really nice detail. So I'm going to call this a show quality motor compartment. And you got a crate motor here. It doesn't even have 400 miles on it yet. 347 stroker with 400 horsepower. The original 65 Shelby had 271. This has 400. So this isn't the real Shelby, but it's better, and you're paying a fraction of what a real Shelby would cost. I gotta tell you, I really like this car. I have a lot of respect for it. I think it's exciting. I think the quality is really there. It's just got a lot going for it. I bet it's an incredible car to drive. So, door shuts nice. Just a nice, nice car. Someone's gonna be really happy with this one. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to get in touch with our salesmen. If you have questions or concerns, ask them. They'll help you the best they can. They can get this delivered to your driveway. They can get you financing. That's at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on that bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.